Hi, welcome back. Okay, so today we have Estelle D'Annunzio and Barbara Powell, and they're both going to be talking to us about Chasing Dreams, and they were the co-writers for it. But first, we're going to start with Estelle, who's going to give us a little bit of a friend zone recap from last time.
Yeah, our very own Mary Zolli wrote a show called Friend Zone,
right.
Which premiered at our meeting last month, and was a very big success.
Yeah.
It was about two people who are friends, and should they take it to the next level or not?
Right.
One wants to, one isn't sure about it. And we had over 200 people, 240 people, 90 of whom were guests.
Wow.
And yeah, we had to put extra chairs. And
nice.
She's going to write a sequel now.
Right. Well, Mary wrote the first. Well,
yes, right.
Was it like a one-act play type of thing?
It was a one-act play,
right.
and they self-directed.
Okay.
And it was about 30 minutes, I think.
Okay.
And there were 4 people in the cast.
All right.
And they really did a great job. Everybody enjoyed, and we had a little Q&A after, so they were able to ask questions, and one of which was, do they ever get together?
Oh, so I was going to say, are the questions more about the acting part of it, or were they about the actual story?
That too.
Okay.
Both, you know, questions about directing, questions about writing, and of course, the question of,
like, will there be a sequel?
Do you ever get together?
Oh, so cute. So she's going to do that.
She's going to.
Well, that's great. So entertaining. And, you know, and it kind of falls along the lines of what she's trying to do with the evolve, you know, and get yourself involved type of thing. So obviously, 200-something people is awesome.
Yeah, and she's a wonderful actress. Jeff Sinclair was the male lead, and he's wonderful. And he's in our show.
All right.
So, yeah. So look for Friend Zone 2.
Excellent, excellent. The sequel.
The sequel.
Yeah, really. So funny. Okay, and then we have the Chasing Dreams, which we've talked about before.
Yes.
But now you guys are getting so much closer. It's coming up on the 19th.
We're going to keep talking about it.
I know. Every time you guys come on. So I know. So give me a background of how it came about and sort of what to expect.
So it's kind of like art imitates life. We were doing auditions, actually, like pre-auditions, trying to figure out what kind of talent we had. Did we want to do a book show? Did we want to try an original project?
Right.
And after we finished a couple days of pre-auditions, we're like, this reminds us of Chorus Line, 42nd Street. Why don't we create what we've just done on stage and bring all the people who are not in the know about theater kind of behind the scenes a little bit with the process.
Okay. Now I know we have some photos of some folks from the rehearsals.
Okay.
So tell me a little bit about like the characters, like some of the characters.
I will let Miss
Okay.
I was going to say DeFazio. We go by Laverne and Shirley, so.
Because we're silly like that. Well, I wrote some of the characters based on some of the people I figured would come out for the show.
Okay.
I wrote a character called Rocky Labong, which is being played by Jeff Sinclair.
Okay.
I wrote a character called Eva Maleva, who's a Russian diva, and I had Stephanie Metzler in mind for that one. And I don't want to give everything away, but it's all in a comedic vein with music and dancing. We have ballroom dancers, we have tappers, we have modern type dances, and we have some new people in the cast that we're very thrilled.
Oh, there's Rocky Labong.
Oh, that's him on the left. And then is the one on the right supposed to be
Carol Shallon.
Right, but she's playing.
No, she's a character called Bambi.
Bambi.
Oh, okay. Okay. I don't know. It's so funny. She looks a little like Marilyn Monroe.
Yeah. No, we do have a Marilyn Monroe look like with our Entourage girls.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. I think I saw you in there too.
Yes.
Did I see you in there?
Yes.
You're in it too, right?
No.
Oh, you're not this time.
I am not.
She's
this
the
time.
producer,
oh,
writer.
behind the scenes. Okay.
Running around. Oh, this is falling through the cracks. Oh, wait.
Well, look at they're showing the dancing. So there's dancing. That's a lot of work.
Well, we have, like she was mentioning, we have different types. We have tap, we have modern, we have tango, we have waltz. I mean, it's just there's something for everybody.
Right.
Songs go from Let Yourself Go from the 30s to 24K Magic by Bruno Mars.
Oh, okay.
So we're really trying to appeal to a broad audience.
And how long would the show be? You think
that's a good question.
Hour and a half, maybe?
Maybe.
About an hour and a half, yeah.
And, and an intermission.
Okay.
Yeah.
We also have a young lady who's going to be 95 the day before the show airs,
Okay.
and I wrote a part for her. She's Cha-Cha Rodriguez.
Oh, that's great.
And she's every bit as spicy as that
Oh,
name would
that
imply.
is so fun.
Yeah,
That's
she
great.
lived here, then she moved away to an assisted living and said, oh, these people are too old and boring, and came
Oh my
back.
gosh.
They're
Yeah.
so old. It's like,
You're so-
okay, honey.
And she's
Better than
95.
ever.
Isn't that funny?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
You're as young as you think.
Exactly, exactly. And everybody here is so entertaining and
Well, thank
so
you.
involved. I know. We see you a lot, you two.
I know.
Oh my gosh, you guys are so funny. Okay, so then
Their
now,
shoes, that's
okay, so this
Cha-Cha.
is her, right? Okay.
Yeah, that's Cha-Cha.
so you
Bob
guys
interviewed
you
her.
had her on your other show,
Yeah.
and super fun lady,
Oh my goodness.
super fun and very energetic, like
She
you said.
inspires the rest of the cast. When she gets on stage, everyone literally stops
And smiles.
and
Oh.
just, it's really energizing.
I always
That's
tell her
great.
I want to be like her when I grow up.
Yeah,
You know?
absolutely. Okay, so that's going to be on the 9th.
4'11"?
What?
You want to be 4'11"?
Oh yeah,
Well,
yeah, yeah.
that would be
No, we don't
interesting.
want to shrink. So, all right, so that's going to be on Friday, October 19th at 7 p.m., Saturday the 20th at 7, and then Sunday the 21st at 2 p.m.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
And tickets are $12 and $15. And where can they get the tickets?
Performing Arts Center box office.
Okay.
Yep.
However,
Yes.
Mary Zolli,
Yes, thank you.
in
Oh,
all
right.
her glory, has decided that there are people who have difficulty getting out
Okay.
to get tickets,
Right.
and she would be very happy to go to their home,
Okay.
get the money, go to the box office, and bring them a ticket.
Okay, that's great.
And I don't know if we have her number up
Well,
on
we
the-
can just say it right now. Go ahead and give her
Okay,
number and her
number
email.
is area code 415-519-7839, or you can email her at mzolli58@gmail.com.
Perfect.
And that was very kind of her, and she also wants to remind people, if you don't have a ride to Clubhouse 3, I mean the Performing Arts Center,
Uh-huh.
you can make a reservation for the bus to pick you up.
Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect.
Mary probably pick you up if
She-
you wanted
she-
to.
Yeah, right.
You know,
But she
that's
said-
Mary.
Yeah, she's going to help in the lobby.
Yeah.
We are asking people to dress up glamorously.
Oh, that's
This
right.
is
You're
a
gonna have the red
glamour
carpet.
event. We're going to have the red carpet. We have our celebrity lookalikes
Right.
who I
Yeah.
believe you've seen.
I have seen them.
Cher, Marilyn Monroe, Betty Boop, and of course, Kim Novak.
Now, they do a great job. They really
There
do.
they are.
Oh, there they are. Oh, how funny. Oh, yes, that's, look at that.
She's a dead ringer.
And they're having so much fun.
And they're new to the club. They've never
Yeah.
performed
Oh,
before.
okay.
And they are marketing our show in a way we've never done before,
Mm-hmm.
making appearances at Club 19. We're looking to do a car parade this weekend
Oh, fun.
with the convertible and have the girls
Oh,
waving
no, that's
and
great.
then pass out flyers.
Oh, that's great. How
Yeah.
many tickets have you sold so far?
Not sure.
Okay.
We
Okay.
have a new director,
Okay.
Ron Sarno.
Okay.
He lives in the village. We didn't know him before. He's still working, so he says he's been here 5 years. And he's new to the Theater Guild and to directing our shows. And we have a music director who will be on the stage playing piano,
Playing
Oh,
live.
good.
playing live, which is also something that we haven't done much of in the past. So we're trying to innovate and involve and evolve
Right.
as well.
Right.
And we hope everybody will come down and support us because
Okay.
it's for the village.
Exactly.
Yes.
And if they don't get tickets ahead of time, will they be sold at the box
Yes,
office?
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, great. So if they just want to show up, they can.
Yes,
But buy
so-
them in advance because we anticipate long lines at the box office.
Yes.
absolutely. All right. Well, thank you so much for the
All right.
information.
Thank
Good
you
luck
for
to
having
you.
us.
Yay.
All right. Oh, and we'll be right back after this, but don't forget to get your tickets for October 19th, 20th, and the 21st for Chasing Dreams. We'll be right back after this.